Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Zest and Zeal. Today we will learn about fraction and types of fraction. Okay. First of all, will be discussed what is fraction. Fraction is actually a part of something. A part of something like suppose we have a pizza. Let's suppose we have a pizza and we have divided into four equal parts. Okay, in fraction there are two parts, one part and the second part. It is called the numerator. It is called numerator and it is called denominator. Okay, denominator shows the total part of something, or denominator shows the whole. Okay, and numerator shows the a part of something. And fraction, and what is fraction? Fraction is actually a part of something. Like this pizza has four equal parts. How many parts are there? Total. Denominator shows the total part of something. And if we have, like, we have eaten three parts of this pizza, these three parts we have eaten, and only this part is left. Only this part is left. Okay, so how many parts we have eaten? We have eaten 3 upon 4 part of this pizza. And how many pieces or piece are left? 1 upon 4 piece is left. Okay, remember this thing. This is called numerator and downward side is called denominator. Numerator shows the part of something and denominator shows the total part of something. Okay, like we have a sandwich. We have a bread sandwich and we divide into two equal parts, and one part I have eaten. Okay, and how can we show that how many parts I have eaten? I have eaten 1 upon 2 part of this sandwich. Okay, or how many part are left? 1 upon 2 part are left. Okay, this is the way to show the fraction. Okay, it consists of two parts, numerator and denominator. And let's suppose we have a triangle and we have divided into three equal parts and two parts are shaded. Sometimes questions are given like that, two parts are shaded. Okay, so how can we show that? Okay, how many parts of this triangle are shaded? It will be 2 upon 3 part of this triangle are shaded. 3 is a whole part. How many parts? Total part 3. And how many parts are shaded? 2. And how many parts are unshaded? 1 upon 3 parts are unshaded. 3 is a whole, means how many total part? 3. Total part is are 3 and one part is unshaded and two parts are shaded. So this is the way to show the shaded part, and this is the way to show the unshaded part. Let me explain one more example. Like we have 6 stationery item. How many stationery item? 6 stationery item. We have 6 stationery items, and out of 6 stationery items, 3 are pencils. Okay, 3 are pencils, 2 are razors, and 1 is ruler. How can we show that in a fraction? We can show that in a fraction like 3 upon 6 part of stationery items are pencil. 3 upon 6 is pencil. Okay, 6 is the whole stationery item shows the whole stationery item, and 3 shows the total pencil. And how can we show that how many razors in a in 6 stationery items in a fraction? How can we show that? It means that 2 upon 6, 2 upon 6 part of 6 stationery items are razors. Okay, and how many ruler? 1 upon 6 part of this stationery items are ruler. Okay, this is the way to show the fraction. 3 upon 6, 3 upon 6 mean half, means 3 1 is 3 and 3 2 times 6 is 1 equal to 1 upon 2, mean the half is 6 out of 6 stationery items, half are pencils, 2 upon 6 are razors, and 1 upon 6 is ruler. Okay, sometime in the exam, um, some questions are there, like we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. We have 1 2 3 4 5 questions. Okay, and out of this 5 question, like we have done 2 right and remaining 3 wrong. So how can we show that how many question we have done right? We can show that like this. And you also know that numbers are given in exams or in a test paper like this, 2 upon 5. It means that there are 5 questions, total 5 questions, and out of 5 questions, 2 are right. Okay, there are 5 questions and 2 you have done right. So how can we show that how many questions are you have done right? It means that 2 upon 5. This is your total marks. It is the way to show the fraction. It is also a fraction. 2 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. 5 shows the total part of the question and 2 shows the how many questions you have done right. Okay, this is about the fraction. Okay, knowledge of the fraction. Now how many types of fraction are there? There are 3 types: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Let me explain what are they. Proper fraction also, as you know that fractions consist of numerator and denominator. Okay, upward number is called numerator and downward is denominator. Okay, if fractions are like numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called proper fraction. 3 upon 5, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, 7 upon 10, any number you can take. If numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called proper fraction. Okay, and if numerator is greater than the denominator, we can say that it is improper fraction. Okay, it is improper fraction. Let me explain more example. 8 upon 3, 7 upon 5, 2 upon 7, oh, sorry, 7 upon 2. Okay, if numerator is greater than the denominator, now numerator is greater and denominator is small. Okay, all the numerator are greater and all the denominator are small. Okay, if numerator is greater than the denominator, we can say that it is improper fraction. And the last one is mixed fraction. It consists of 2 parts. Like sometimes you see that fractions are given like that, like 3 4 over 5, 2 1 over 4, 2 3 over 7, like that. It consists of 2 parts. One part is like this and the second part is this. Okay, it is a whole number. 3 is a whole and it is a proper fraction. We have already learned about proper fraction. Proper fraction are those fraction in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. It is proper fraction and it is a whole number. Okay, how can we show that in a picture? In a picture, like you have three pizzas, three full pizzas means three whole pizzas, plus you have one pizza and it is divided into five parts, and out of five parts you have four only. Okay, this four you have 4 upon 5. How many total parts are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 3 whole plus 4 upon 5. Total parts are 5 and out of 5 you have 4. Okay, it's 3 plus 4 over 5. Okay, how can you show that like in the picture? 2 full pizzas plus, it is divided into how many parts? Denominator shows the total part, 4 parts, and out of 4 parts you have 1, means 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay, this is a mixed fraction. Okay, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction, these are the types of the fraction. I hope you have understood the fraction and their types. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. Okay, keep watching. Allah Hafiz.